Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Earlier this year, I showed you how growing your own food was like printing your own money. And today, I'm gonna do another video just on that. Here's some things that you're gonna need. A set of nice pruners. You'll need a nice stainless steel bowl. And you'll need a container similar to something like this. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here we are cleaning up the garden. And what I want to do is I want to come out here and I want to harvest some free seeds. So this whole row was tomato plants earlier in the season. Tomato plants underplanted with basil. This is a basil plant that has gone to seed. And it would be a shame if I just let this go to waste. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to take these and I'm going to break these off. I can cut these off, but I like to just grab it. And look at that. You see the tiny seeds? So those are basil seeds in there. And what I'm going to do, it's getting close here, I'm just going to take these and I'm going to cut all these off. Cut these off really aggressively. And then I'm going to take these and I'm just going to do like that. Go like that, get those seeds in there. I'm going to do the whole plant like that really quickly. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. I want as many free seeds as I can, because that's money. Now the good thing about this is some of these seeds will fall down right here into this really rich soil, and next year we'll have basil plants come back at this exact spot. Okay. All right. So there we have it. Now we have our harvested basil seed. I'm gonna take you in front and show you the next process. All right, so now I'm at the final stage and where I take the harvested basil seed, I'm just gonna pour it in here. And I'm just gonna take all these seeds. I'm just gonna break it up, okay? It's gonna be really rough with it, okay? Break it up. Now, the fun part. Shake it back and forth. And the basil seeds are gonna fall in those little holes right there. Shake it back and forth. Again, this is gonna be really rough, but that's okay because this is not seed to sell. This is seed that I'm gonna reuse to grow, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So these are our stems, our leftover stems. These go back in the compost pile. If I wanted to get fancy, I could take these seeds and sift it again, but I'm not gonna do that. And there you have it. There's some other stuff in there, but I have a lot of harvested basil seeds in there, and that's good enough for me. Now, I'm just gonna take a handful of the seed, and I'm gonna sprinkle it in there, press it down, and water it in. And wait about a week or two. So here we are a few weeks later, and wow, look at that. Isn't that awesome? So again, saving your own seeds is like printing your own money. I'm Mike with the Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I gotta go. We have work to do, but I'll see you in the next video.